Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to see the next concept in the chapter of playing with numbers. So, dear students, in first chapter we played with numbers. Again, in this class, in session 2, we are going to solve the puzzles. Okay, this is also a type of game, right? Solving puzzle, right? Now, see here. Playing with numbers, the second concept is letters for digits. So what is this letters for digits? We will see. In this type of puzzles, the letter represents the digit. Here one type puzzle is there. That puzzle name is letters for digit. In this type of puzzle, the letter represents the digit and we have to crack the code. Okay. Here we stick to problems of addition and multiplication. So what it is telling means, in this type of puzzles the letter represents the digits. Suppose I have asked you, see q plus 1 is equal to 3 when? See here in this type of puzzle a letter stand for a digit. Here letters stand for a digit. Now tell me when q plus 1 is equal to 3. When the q value will be 2, right? When q value will be 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Means here letter will going to stand for digit. This only letters for digits. Now we are going to see some importance rule for this. So each letter in the puzzle must stand for just one digit only. See here, suppose if a puzzle is there, in that puzzle each letter in the puzzle will stand for one digit and each digit must be represented by just one letter. See here, each letter in the puzzle will stand for one digit and each digit must be represented by just one letter. This is the first rule. Second rule, the first digit of a number cannot be 0. The first digit of a number cannot be 0. By keeping these two rules in mind, we are going to solve the puzzles. You have to remember these two rules. What is that? Each letter in the puzzle should be represented by one digit and each digit must be represented by one letter. And the second rule is that the first digit of a number cannot be 0. By keeping these two in mind, we are going to solve the puzzles. Okay. The first puzzle is problems. Find q in the addition. Find q in the addition. 3 1 q plus 1 q 3. 5 0 1. Now see students, we have to solve this puzzle. The main rule is that each letter in the puzzle must be represented by one digit only, and the second rule is that the first digit of a number cannot be a 0. Now see here students, solution, how we have to solve here. Go from the units place here. Q plus 3 is equal to 1. When q plus 3 is equal to 1? It is not possible. When q plus 3 is equal to 1? No, this is not possible, right? Now what we have to do means, here what they are given the rule, each letter in the puzzle must stand for just one digit. We have to substitute here digit. Okay, what are the digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These digits we have to substitute and we want the answer 1. So this is not possible. 0 plus 3 is what? 3. The value is go on increasing. See here, take 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Our value is increasing. Now what to do? then you have to see in such a value that q value you have to substitute in such a way that at least the ones place should be 1. Now see, 1 plus 3 is 4, right? This is not working. Go for 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. This is also not working. Yes or no? These are not working. 3 plus 3 is 6. Not working. 4 plus 3 is 7. This is also not working, right? 5 plus 3 is 8. No. 6 plus 3 is 9. But we want in units place 1. 7 plus 3 is 10. This is also not working, right? What is 8 plus 3? 8 plus 3 is 11. We wanted this only, no? Yeah. We wanted this only. What we will do? In place of q, you are going to substitute 8. In place of q, you are going to substitute 8. Then what it will happen? 3, 1, 8. Okay. Here 3. In place of q, you have to substitute 8, 1. Now what will the answer? 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 3, 4, 5. See here, this puzzle answer came same. Yes or no? Means here hence q value is nothing but 8. What we can tell? Here q value is nothing but 8. Here q value is 8. So we can write here q value is 8. In this puzzle, q value will going to be what? 8. We have substituted a digit only. Okay. Now we will go for the second problem. We will see the second problem now. What they have given. The second problem is here. Find A and B in the addition. Find A and B in the addition. That is A. We want answer B, A. So solve this puzzle. See here students. We have to substitute a digit. We have to substitute a digit. What is the rule? What is the cases here? A. Should again A only. Now see, if I substitute 0, 0, 0, 0, then what about this? 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. B will remain like that only. Go on checking. 2, 2, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes or no? Now we want here same value. Now what we will do? We will substitute. See here. 3, 3, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. This is not working. Yes or no? We want the value same. We'll go for 4. If we substitute 4, 4, 4. What it will become? It will become 12. But we want this value same. This value we want same. We will check for 5. We will check for 5. 5, 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Now see here, it is coming same. Okay. Here 1 and here B value is 1. Say we want the same A. Here A we are. See here we have to, what is the rule? We have to substitute here digit. Now tell me, here A value is 5, B value is 1. Okay. Whatever they will give rules to solve the puzzle, we have to follow that. What they are given here rule in this puzzle, A, this should be same. When we substitute 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. In units place, we are getting 5 only. Okay, now we will solve third one. Find the digits A and B. First question, BA into B3. The answer should come 5, 7, 8. Now see students, now here what the A into 3 should be A into 3 should be A. When this is possible? 0 into 3 is 0. Okay, if you go on checking for this, we will see now. See here, if you check for this, A value what we have substituted is 0, because again we are getting same thing. Here 3 is it is a 0. We have to substitute B value in such a way that the answer should come 57. Now is it possible? We will see. See here, if I take here 1, 10 into 13 is 130. I want 570, right? Now if I substitute here 2, what it will become? If I substitute 2 B value, it will become, see here, 23 into 2, it is 460, but we want here 570, but I am getting a 460. 2 is also not correct. Now you go for 3, you substitute 3. If I substitute 3 here, it will coming 990, but I want here 570. Means here, if I substitute 4, the answer will go on increasing. That's why better to change this value here. What I took here, no, better to change that. Say 4 3s are 12, it will want to 5 3s are A into 3 should be A. This should be same. If I take 5 3s are 15, here unit place is same. Can I substitute this? Yes, I will see here. In place of A, 5 into 3, 5 3s are, okay, 15. 1, here it will go on carry. Now see here, substitute B value in such a way that the answer should come 575. Now we will check it. See here, I can't write here 0. Yes or no? The first place can't be a 0, because the second rule tells us that the first digit of a number cannot be a 0. Now see here, go for 1 1. If I take 1 1, what it will happen? 1 5 into 1 3. 5 3s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. It will become 591, 195. But I want 575. Go for 2. Go for 2. 2 5 into 2 3. 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6 7. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4 5. If I add this, 575. Yeah, this is working. Means I can tell that B value is 2 2. If I do this, I am going to get 575. What I can tell? Hence A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. Okay. Now understood? See here. What is the first rule? Each letter we have to represent by one digit only. Yeah, we are represented by one digit only, and each letter should have a unique digit. Yes, here A value is 5, B value is 2. Here it can't be same. The first rule tells us that only, each digit must be represented by just one letter. Each digit must be represented by one letter. Here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2. It can't be same. Okay. Now we'll go for the exercise. exercise part we will go now. We will see the exercise part. Okay, see exercise 1.1. Find the values of the letter. Find the values of the letter in each of the following. In each of the following, and they are told give reasons for the steps involved. Now see, we will see first one, student. 3a plus 2 will be b2. The first question will tell us this. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the step involved. Now see here, you are going to see the solution. When a plus 5 will be 2. Now we are taking the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now if I take 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. It won't work. Because I want here 2. If I do 1 plus 5, I am getting 6. If I substitute 2 plus 5, I am getting 7. This is also not working, right? If I put a value 3 plus 5 is 8. This is also not working. If I took a value 4 plus 5 is 10. Not working. In unit place 0 is there. I want 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. Sorry, here 5 plus 4 is 9. Here 5 plus 4 is 9. But I want 2 in the units place. 5 plus 5 is 10. This is also not working. 6 plus 5 is 11. In unit place 1 is coming, right? It is also not working. Now 7, see. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. Here 2 in unit place same thing is there, no? Yes or no? We want in unit place 2. A value you have to substitute in such a way that unit value should come 2. If I substitute a is equal to 7, I am getting 12. Then what I can write here? A value you can write it as 7, okay, plus 2, 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence, what I can write? Hence, A is equal to 7, B is equal to 6. So what is the step involved? They are told to give reason for the step involved. You have to write it. Now how we can give the steps here? In unit place we want 2 as a value. For that what we have done? 7 plus 5 we have done. 7 plus 5 is 12. If I put a value 7, in unit place 2 will come. Yes or no? Okay. We will see the second problem. We will see the second problem of this exercise. So second one, 4a plus 9, 8 will be CB3. Now see a student, now we have to see when a plus 8 is equal to 3. When a plus 8 is equal to 3. Okay. Now see here, go on substituting the digits. If I put 0 plus 8, it will come 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. If I substitute 1 plus 8 is 9. If I substitute 2, 2 plus 8 is 10. If I substitute 3, 3 plus 8 is 11. If I substitute 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. If I substitute 5, 5 plus 8 is 13. I want 3, no? Here 3 is coming. Means which is the correct value? I can substitute it in place of A, 5. Now 4, A value 5 plus 9, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Hence what I can write? Hence A value is 5, B value is 4, C value is 1. Hence I can write A value as 5, B value as 4, C value as 1. What is the step involved here? The step involved is that in a unit place, if you do A plus 8, the answer should come in unit place 3. What I am telling? In unit place here, A plus 8 is equal to 3. We have to substitute a value in such a way that in unit place 3 should have to come. Okay. Next we will see the next problem. That is third problem we will see now. Third problem they are given 1A into A when it will be a 9A. See a solution. We want A into A is equal to A. When A into A is equal to A. See here, if I substitute 1 ones are 1 will come definitely, but it is coming 11 only. But if you want here 9A I want. 9 I want here. That's why this is not correct. Now go for 2. 2 2s are 4. Value will change, no? Here 2 2s are 4. This value will change. But I want this same. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. See here. A. We'll check this. Now see here. If I take 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. This is also not working. Yes. Now go for next digit 6. 6 6s are 36. This is same now here. Now we will check it. Put A value is 6. 1 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Hence what we can write? Hence A value is 6. Hence A value is 6. Yes. What is the reason for this? The reason is that A into A we want answer A. A into A we want the answer A. If it is not possible, at least we want the unit place. Here the reason is that A into A should be A. If you put 6, A value as 6, 6 is a 36. Here in one's place 6 will come. Okay. Next we go for the next problem. Fourth one, you do it as a homework. You can try that. We will see fifth one. AB into 3. It should be CAB. CAB. Now see a student. Now you have to check in such a way that B into 3 should be again B. Start putting the digits. 0. 0 into 3 is 0. These are same, no? Now we will put here. A in place of B will put 0. 0 3s are 0. Yeah, these two are same. Now you have to put such a way 3 into A, again it should have to come A. 3 into A, again we want A. How to put that here? 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3, different. 3 2s are 6. These two should be same. 3 3s are 9, different. 3 4s are 12. No. 3 5s are 15. See here. here a and this value is same. We can put in place of a 5. In place of a what we can put? In place of a we can put 5. Now see here, 5 3s are 15. Here a is same, here 5 is same, b is same, b is same, c is 1. Hence what we can write? Hence b is equal to 0. Hence b is equal to 0. A is equal to 5 and c is equal to 1. Hence b is equal to 0. A is equal to 5. C is equal to 1. Okay. Next we'll see the next problem. Next problem what they given is 6th one. A b into 5. It should be C A D. Now again see why I have written the steps here means you have to, whenever you are solving the problem, you have to see these steps. Okay, the rules are very very important. Without a rule you can't substitute however you want. That's why I written rules on the board. You have to see whenever you are solving the puzzle, you should have to keep this in a mind. Okay. Now see here, 6th problem, solution. Now see here, b into 5, when it will come again b. Start from the digit. First digit I will put 0. 0 into 5 is 0. Yeah, this is same. What I will do? In place of b I will put 0. 0 5 is 0. Now I should have to, next I want a into 5, it should a into 5 I want a. When it is possible, check 0 5 is 0. The starting number cannot be 0. That is the second rule. Okay, go for 1. 1 5 is 5. No, 2 5 is 10. 3 5 is check. 3 5 is 15. No, these are different. Go for 4. 4 5 is 20. No. 5 5 is 25. Now see here, this and this are same. In place of a what we can put? In place of a I can put 5. 5 0 is 0. 5 5 is 25. Now see here, b, these two are same. A, here these two are same. Okay, what you can write? Hence b is equal to 0, a is equal to 5 and c is equal to 2. What are the steps involved here? The steps involved here are, first step is b into 5 should be b. This is the first step. Second step, a into 5 should be a. Okay, we have find out the digit for that. Okay, now we will see the 7th question what they have given in your textbook. 7th one, a b into 6 should be b. Okay, a b into 6, the answer should be b. Now we'll go for the first step. The first step is that b into 6 should be b. When it is possible, if I take 0 6 is 0. See here b 0 0 0 0. If I put this is meaningless. Okay, we can't go for this. 1 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6. These are not same. This is also not correct. 2 6 is 12, right? Here if I put, what it will happen? A in place of b, if I put 2, what will happen? Into 6. 6 2s are 12. Now if I go on putting the digit, go on checking. 6 is 0 0, 6 is 0 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 1 is 6 7. 6 2 is 12 13. 6 4 is 24 25. 6 6 is 36 37. I want 2. Okay, it won't happen. Next go for, this is also not possible. Next go for different number. 3 6s are 18. Here this is not same. 3 7s are 21. This is not same. Okay. Okay, here you put 3 value, 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24. Here 4 value is same, right? In place of B, if I put 4, it will work, we will see. 6 4s are 24. Now want here again 4 4. It will work, we will see. If I put 5, 6 5s are 30, 32. No. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2 is 37, 38. No, this is also not working. If I put 7, 7 6 are 42, 43, 44. Means here A value should be 7. Hence what I can write? Hence A value is, hence A is equal to 7 and A value is 7 and B value is 4. Okay. Now we will see the next problem. Now we will go for the next problem. Say 8, 9 you do as a homework. You can practice it, right? Problem number 8 and 9 you can do it as a homework, and problem number 4 also. Next we will see the last problem. It is a very interesting. You can play the game with that. 6AB. The answer should be A09. Now see a student. Now see here. From right side you have to see A plus B should be 9. A plus B should be 9. Again see a rule. A plus 2 should be 0. You will get a clue here. You just see the next digits, you will get a clue. When A plus 2 is equal to 0, means here, when we put A value, we will get the unit place as 0. If I put A value as 8, A plus 2 is 10. Then definitely here A value is 1. Now see here, A value is 8. 8 plus 1 will going to be 9. Okay. Again here 2. A value you took 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Right, here 0 came. A is 6. 6 1 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Hence what we can write? Hence A is equal to 8 and B is nothing but 1. Now see here students, we have solved the problems. Just you have to remember the rules. The rules here, each letter in the puzzle must stand for just one digit. Each letter is standing for one digit and each digit is standing for one letter also. And the second rule is that we should not have to take the first digit as 0. Okay. In next class we are going to see the test of divisibility. Do the homework. Okay. Thank you.